Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. You see in this area here there is a sensor, airbag sensor here. If you're taking this battery terminal, please try to be careful. It cut and when we put the battery inside we're getting this issue. So we are going to, this can do it, right? Can clear the airbag. Okay, we're using this little piece here. It's very good piece, yeah. You see how it's doing? This is especially for BMW, right? So we have use a fuel pump, engine, everything that is there. So I'm gonna scroll down to the quick airbag, right? Where is that? Where we gonna go? This is one, multiple, am I here? Yeah. Then I select OK. Let me see what code I have. Read the code. 93D2. Oh, this is for front. We have a lot. Under voltage, safety battery. You know that code. So I'm gonna go say it's okay. Skip. Erase all, right?
It's okay.
There's the airbag there. Yes. It's gone. Got to escape. Always say that when you have, that's good. I'm gonna buy one like this for a quick diagnosis. The problem is that they try to change the battery and they create that problem. So when you take that red cover there for the battery terminal, because the battery terminal is here, you're gonna release this cover. I don't know how it's gonna work, but when you open this, you're gonna have to release it and then you take it out. Be careful about the wire there. Thank you. This is BMW 328i. What year? 2011?
2008.
Yeah, 2008.